I am taking a little video for Dad, so this will be a little webcam.
Here's your new grandson.
What's his name?
Gavin Gray Konikowski.
Look at the flowers I've been watching.
He looks very sleepy.
He's sleepy right now. Wake up, little muff.
He was opening his eyes before.
Yeah.
And how are these fingernails? Can I show?
Oh yeah. Maybe not. There we go.
Oh, look at that little hand. Yeah, so long fingernails. And could you show the hair?
God bless you.
Lots of hair. And here's Jeff, proud father. And you guys look pretty tired.
Indeed.
But think of it, now you can both do shots of tequila.
Yeah, that's right.
You're free to drink.
I'm like excited about all these new things. Lying on my back.
And you got a good view out there.
Good view last night too.
Alright, that's here in New York. We're going to send this over to Korea now.